How to disable memories flashback on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can disable memories flashback on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open Snapchat application in your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From here, again navigate towards the top right corner and now tap on settings. Under settings, you have to scroll down and search for an option as memories. Once you find the memories, tap on it. So here, if you are using an iOS device, you will have an option as features. So you have to toggle off the flashback from this page or from this page onto memories. So if you use iOS device, toggle off the flashback option from here, and that will disable memories flashback on Snapchat. But if you are using an Android device, you may not see this option because it is not available on the Android version of the application. So if you have your iOS device, then you can simply turn off your memories flashback on Snapchat in this way. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.